Hi friends, how are you all? Today our topic is paper to syllabus. I am discussing about paper to section A and section B syllabus. Paper to syllabus dynamic in nature. We will prepare starting with the current affairs. Paper to syllabus is very important for gaining marks. So please be careful on paper 2. Let's analyze the syllabus of section A. Section A contains 11 topics. So I will tell you step by step all 11 topics. First chapter, 11 chapters are there. First chapter is comparative comparative politics, nature and major approaches, political economy and political sociology perspectives, limitations of the comparative method. Limitations of the comparative method. This is the first chapter. Second chapter is state in comparative perspective, characteristics and changing nature of the state in capitalist and socialist economies and advanced industrial and developing societies. Chapter 3, politics of representation and participation, political parties, pressure groups and social movements in advanced industrial and developing societies. Fourth chapter, globalization, responses from developed and developing societies. Fifth chapter, approaches to the study of international relations, idealist, realist, Marxist, functionalist and system theory. Sixth chapter is key concepts in IR, national interest, security and power, balance of power and deterrence, transitional actors and collective security and world capitalist economy and globalization. Seventh chapter is changing international political order. A. Rise of superpowers, strategic and ideological bipolarity, arms race and Cold War, nuclear threat. B. Non-aligned movement, aims and achievements. C. Collapse of the Soviet Union, unipolarity and American hegemony, relevance of non-alignment in the contemporary world. Eighth chapter, evolution of the international economic system from Bretton Woods to WTO, World Treaty Organization, socialist economies and the CMEA, Council for Mutual Economic Assistance. Third world demand for new international economic order, globalization of the world economy. Ninth chapter, United Nations, envisaged role and actual record, specialized UN agencies, aims and functioning, need for UN reforms. Ninth topic. And tenth chapter is regionalization of world politics. UE, Asian, APEC, SAARC, NAFTA. 11th chapter. 11th chapter is contemporary global concerns. Contemporary global concerns. Democracy, human rights, environment, gender justice, terrorism, nuclear proliferation. These all 11 topics come under section A, paper 2. Next, paper 2, section B, syllabus, India and the world. Section B having 8 topics. Let's discuss one by one. First chapter is Indian foreign policy. Determinants of foreign policy, institutions of policy making, continuity and change. Second chapter, India's contribution to the NAM, non-aligned movement. Different pages, current role. Next third topic, India and South Asia. A. Regional cooperation, SAARC, past performance and future prospects. B. South Asia as a free trade area. C. India's lookist policy. D. Impediments to regional cooperation, river water disputes, illegal cross-border, migration, ethnic conflicts, and insurges, border disputes. Fourth chapter is India and Global South, relations with Africa and Latin America, leadership role in the demand for NIEO and WTO negotiations. Fifth chapter, India and the global centers of power, USA, UE, Japan, China, and Russia. Sixth chapter, India and the UN system, role in UN peacekeeping, demand for permanent seat in the Security Council. Seventh chapter is India and the nuclear question, changing perceptions and policy. Last topic is recent developments in Indian foreign policy. India's position on recent crisis in Afghanistan, Iraq, and West Asia, growing relations with US, US and Israel, vision of new world order. These all are about paper 2 syllabus. Please read this syllabus 1 to 2 times or 3 times also. Okay, thank you for watching. Happy reading.